Hello friends, in the series of C programming, till now we discuss all concept like what is character, what is tokens, what are types of data or data types, then what are the operator types, etc. Now here in this video, we're going to discuss one program and here we're going to execute this program. So our program is write a program to accept a character till the user enter the EOF, that is end of file, and we have to count the number of alphabet and digits. So here in this video we're going to discuss how this program is going to execute and what will be the expected output. So let's start. So here I use the GDB online debugger. Now here we are writing the program that is accepting the character. So first of all, at the first line I include stdio.h, that is this is our header file. Then after that main is our first function. Then inside this curly bracket, now we have to accept some character. So I select or I return one variable ch. Ch is nothing but the one variable having data type character, because I'm going to accept the character as an input. Now next in this program we are going to count the alphabet and digits. So I'll take a variable that is count and it initialize 0. Now data type is the int because we are going to count it into the integer or into the digits. Now next, as I'm going to count the alphabet, so alpha is also initialized with 0 and digits is also initialized with a 0. So whatever the alphabets and digits are coming, so it will go into the count inside this variable. So in this program I use the 4 variables ch, that is we are accepting the character, count, alpha and digit, and which is initialized by 0. Now next, in this program, as we have to accept the character till the user enters the EOF. So first of all, we have to check this condition because we are user accepting the inputs. So at the starting only I put the condition, that is while. Now while is only one control structure which controls your program at the starting. So at starting I'll put the while loop condition, and if this becomes the true, it will execute till this condition is becomes the true only. So inside while loop I put the condition, that is ch is equal to get character. Now we know that ch is our variable, and what is mean by get character? Now here get character which accept inputs from user and it's stored into the ch. Now get character is an inbuilt function, special function inside C program. Now our condition is we have to accept till the user enter EOF. That's why I written get characters not equal to EOF. Even the while condition is going to run as long as this condition becomes a true. So I written at the starting only. Now EOF is nothing but a special symbol or special function inside C. EOF, that is end of file or end of input, or we have to stop there. Nothing to read inside the file or while we are accepting the input from the user. So inside this while loop, if this condition is true, then it going to execute the following condition, as we have to check the number of alphabets. So inside if I written the condition ch is greater than 65 and ch less than 123. Now here, as user can enter small letters or capital letters from A to Z, or capital letters from A to Z, or small letter from A to Z. The user may be enter small or capital. That's why I use the ASCII value from 65 to last 123. So in between this I use the logical AND operator. So if first condition become true and second is true, it becomes true and it will going to execute the next loop or next statement, that is alphabets I'm going to the count. So it will make the increment into our counter. So next if I want to enter or count the digits, so I have to check the same condition by using ASCII key. If the CH is greater than equal to 48 and CH is less than 58, then counter of the digits will go into the increment. So I'm going to plus digits, and after that, whatever the input I entered, I'm going to the check or count by using count plus plus. Now we have to display this using printf. Printf total number of character, that is count, total number of digits, that is it store into digit, and total number of alphabet into the alphabet. So this is our program. Now let's execute this our program or run this program. Let's now let execute this program. Now after running this program, now after compilation you didn't get anything because in while loop we use the get character. Now at the starting only I put the while condition, that is till the user is accepting the input, and we have to stop at the EOF. Now here now while condition becomes the true, then it will execute as long as the condition becomes the true only. So at starting I put the while condition, and inside that while we use the get character. Now get character is a special inbuilt function which is going to accept the character and which is stored into ch variable. Now here it is waited for user input, and if I it waited for user input and it stored into the ch and then it display. So here I am going to enter one text. So once I enter, I make the entered, and I have to write the EOF. Now EOF is nothing but end of file. So I have to end of file. Now some operating system can support EOF as an inbuilt function. So it is an equivalent to the control D. So once I press the control D, you will get the 25 total number of character, 4 number of digits, and we have the 16 total alphabet. So this is my result. And some operating system is equivalent EOF as a control D, or you can use control Z also. In Linux it will work like control Z, and for Windows it will use control D. Now our EOF is nothing but the end of file. Now instead of EOF, that is I'm going to end the accepting the character, or I'm going to stop here to accepting the character. So it is an similar, or it is an equivalent to the -1. So if I, even though if I enter here -1, it will going to work like an end of file or terminated, or there is nothing to read. So let's execute this program once again. So if I enter here some, if I enter here some text, and if I press Ctrl D, after Ctrl D, I'll get the same result, that is 28 characters, 6 total digits are there, and 16 alphabet. So I'll get the result as equivalent to the EOF, even though I written here -1. So this -1 is nothing but termination of, or we have to stop at the end. That is equivalent to the EOF. You can write EOF also or -1 also. So this is all about our program. Thank you.